Oh, it's just starting to rain. Oh, that's so annoying. Girlies, what's the noise about? Eh? Eh, what's the noise about? I'm afraid it's just started raining. That's annoying. Hi. Oh, who was that? That was Edith. Look at you three speckled Sussexes together. Aw, that's cute. That's cute. And here's Hamble. Are you coming out just briefly then, since it's raining? I'm sure you won't stay out long. Well, come on. Come on. Oops, my bandaging skills have let me down. There's some medical tape hanging off Hamble's little foot, I notice. Hey, Hamble. You see that? I'll need to take that off. Hi. Hello, Beryl. Come on, darling. It's wanting to have a good old rain. Yes. Poo. They're all just jumping back in. Oh, that's annoying. Come on, Beryl. Oh dear. Oh, Beryl, it's getting... You've got the right idea, it's getting heavier. Oh. Okay, I guess I'll need to come back round later and let you out. Of course, Edith's still out. And these two will stay out because they don't mind the rain. But these fair weather girls... Yeah, you fair weather girls. That's clever, just shelter underneath the nest box. I'll go and find Edith. Oh, here she comes. Hi, darling. Have you even given in? Hey, have you given in? Are you going back into the coop? Into the run even. Hamble's lurking there to beat up the little ones if they try and jump in. She's bad. Everyone's having a little munch. I hope there's no rain on the lens. Just having a little look there. I think it should be okay. Here's Matilda wanting to do a little bit of sunbathing. She's just had about 15 minutes in the dust bath. And now Beryl's in there, having great fun. And that squawk you heard was Wicked Hamble giving these two a wee peck. Hamble, you're so bad. You're so bad. Hamble. Hamble's asserting her authority. Oh, Hamble, now. They do make quite a lot of racket, right enough. Come on, she was only trying to give you a peck. She didn't actually beat you up. Oh, I can't wait for it to settle down, right enough. Hamble is definitely the naughty one at the minute, trying to assert her authority over these two. Hello you, what are you saying to it? Should you not be going to reprimand Hamble? Oh, here they are. Hello girls. Oh, you coming out? Hamble. You're so naughty. Mind you, she was trying to have a dust bath and Beryl pecked her and chased her out, so it's dog eat dog in this chicken world. Colour of that bandage in her foot. It is nice and clean underneath, I can assure you, but yes. Her foot is coming on leaps and bounds. The nasty scab that had formed came off with some bathing and application of magnesium sulfate. And since I've been washing every couple of days, or soaking just briefly every couple of days in Epsom salts and water, spraying with an antibacterial spray, and then putting on some medicinal honey, a little pad, and then bandaging it all up. And gradually a new nice scab to resolve the wound has been forming, and that will eventually go away once it is completely healed. So yeah, I'm really pleased with the progress. I'll put up some photographs of what's been happening with that, because it's sort of hard to video at the same time as doing all the taping, etc., because she is a wee bit of a handful, aren't you, Hamble? Yes. Meanwhile, the little ones, after being chased out, are quite happy. Hello! They love it outside. Absolutely love it outside. Exploring and eating things. Like that strawberry. Oh no, it's a cyclamen. Oh, pests. They are little dinosaurs. And at the moment, I believe... Hello, Edith. Edith would be out with the little ones, but she's laying at the minute. There. No, that's a hosta. Leave alone. It's a worrying time because you try blooming eating anything. No. Not the fern. Ferns are not good for you. Right, you're sort of breaking into my gardening time here because I've got to chicken sit. The others aren't out. Come on. No. Oh, you got away. Right, going down that way. Good girls. Good girls. Yes. Oh. Go on. Come on, it's nearly lunchtime for me and then you can come out. There we go. Oh.